Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Sorry mate, I'll pull over, okay. I've got a shield in my back, that's why, you know.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Hey, how about taking 5 seconds of your time? Let's give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Let's continue.
Come on!
Enough of that, get over it, love. There you go. Go and park. You don't deserve this. Yeah. Just leave it there. I'll sit here.
Oh, so you're sitting there now, so we
Yeah.
can't get in?
Yes.
All round, Mum. What are you doing?
Have you ever thought of just like calming down?
Just stand on your whip.
Well, congratulations, I've just had pneumonia. Congratulations, I've just had pneumonia.
Yeah.
And been in hospital and had surgery. What a shame, we all have our sob story, don't we? And there's no need to talk to people like that at all. No need to talk to people like that.
Splitting there, boss. She's going in, she's back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're not there.
No, because you're just being rude.
You are?
You're just being rude.
So
And there
what?
is no need for it.
So what?
There's just no need for it,
We've
is
been
there?
parked there, mate. Half an hour.
Don't care.
Right, no, you wouldn't do, would you? Because
No.
you've had a parking space.
And you're not understanding.
Seven, I won't move.
You're not
And
understanding.
you're parking up.
And you're not understanding why I
Yeah, I
consider
am
you rude.
understanding. I am
Yeah.
understanding.
Can I ask you a question?
I am a rude
Let
person,
me ask
right?
you a
You've
question.
been sat there, right?
Let me
Yeah.
ask you a question. Do you have the internet?
What do you mean, do I have the internet?
Do you have the internet?
Why? What's it got to do with you?
Because I'm recording all
So
this.
what? I'm not bothered,
And you'll find
mate.
it on
Excuse
all
me,
the
I'm
social
bothered.
media
Stephanie,
with your lovely language
excuse me.
and stuff.
Excuse me,
I'm not
sir.
engaging with you.
Bob. Stephanie,
That's
that'll do.
kind
Look at
of...
him now, he's parked there.
Can you move? Because we've been waiting to get in. We was the first people
Very
here.
well, and she's going to park there.
Yeah.
I've just come out of hospital and I've got.
We was here
That's a
before
lie.
then.
Do you know
I
her?
do.
No, I
Well,
don't.
what's it got to do with you then?
Well, I don't know you. I just what's it got to do with you. Do you know
out the way.
me?
Ring the police, ma'am.
Go on, ring the police.
Look at you, little chink.
Oh,
Get out the way.
well, congratulations.
Listen, we was here first.
Congratulations on losing the argument.
Like that.
Because you've just been racist.
So what are we now?
You've just broken the law.
What did you say?
She just called me
Listen,
a...
I've been to prison. I'm not bothered about breaking the law, you little crank.
Stephanie, that'll go.
Mum, I
Can
feel
you
like
move, please,
punching
so I
him.
can Get me car in. I was here first. Out of all these people, I was here first, and I usually get in a disabled spot. And
Two
I can't.
women that's 70 odd
Stephanie,
year old and you're sat there.
Yeah, I am.
Come on now, move it. So
No.
well, what we're supposed to do?
Because I think you have acted in the most immoral and
we
illegal
was
manner.
here first.
Immoral. What's that got
Stephanie,
to
leave
do
me.
with you?
It's got to do with everything.
Listen to
That lady,
You weren't here first.
you were absolutely abusive to that lady, and I've not heard an apology from you.
Get lost.
Sorry.
Stephanie.
I'm sorry, that's assault. You've just touched me. That's
Sorry.
assault.
Shut up, you silly
So
old
if you would
silly
like,
sod. Get
if
the
you would,
police if you think I've assaulted you.
why don't you get the police? You're the one threatening. I'm not
No, we're
threatening
not
anything.
threatening.
Please, will you just move?
I'm not
please?
threatening
I'm not
anything.
very
Can you
well,
move? She's
and I want
poorly.
to move.
And we want to get parked so she
please.
can go in there.
Well, why are you stood here shouting at me when you can
I'm
just
not
go and
shouting.
go and get
I'll
out
come
to
with the
run your
cars
business?
I'm not shouting.
Well, go and sit in the car.
I'm being
No, I
really
want to
calm
get
calm.
her
down.
inside.
Listen.
Listen.
I said I feel like.
Are you done, love? Are you? Excuse me, van driver.
Oh, he's going in now, so. Yeah, move your car now, Chief. Move it. There you go.
I am doing. I'm going to.
Shut up, please.
Yeah,
Leave it.
you know, probably the best advice I've heard all day.
Will you move, please?
Advice is to move, please.
I am moving.
Because I'm going to pass out in a minute.
Well, sit down. Don't make yourself ill over this.
Well, I'm gonna
These
pass
people,
out
these
because I
people are the
can't
ones who are
move.
causing the stress.
I'm not abusive.
I know you're not. I know you're not. And I'm really sorry you got hooked up in this. I don't take that abuse off anybody. And I will forward this to the police for your racist
Go
behaviour.
forward it to the police. You're a little chinky cunt. How's that for you? Get yourself off.
Right, that's it.